Hello, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with the second chapter of accountancy, that is Partnership Fundamentals. Herein we will be discussing the meaning of partnership deed, and also the contents of partnership deed. So as we know that partnership is governed by an act known as Partnership Act 1932. So according to this act, partnership is a relation between persons who have agreed to share the profits of a business carried on by one or carried on by all or any of them acting for all. The important thing which is to be noted is that it should be a legal business. Whatever business the partnership firm will do should be a legal one. Now this partnership, in a partnership business, there should be an agreement. Unlike the sole proprietorship or single man business, in partnership there should be an agreement which is generally oral or sometimes written. So in order to avoid the conflicts and confusions, a partnership deed is created. And what is this partnership deed? A partnership deed is a written document which contains the terms and conditions of agreement among the partners. Whatever is the agreement between the partners, it will be mentioned in the partnership deed in a written form. Now what are the contents of this partnership deed? Now partnership deed contains the names and addresses of the partners, name and address of the firm, amount of capital to be contributed by each partner, then interest on capitals which is to be allowed to the partners, then interest on drawings, salary which is to be distributed among the partners, then also the type of business which will be done by the partnership firm. So these are the details of partnership deed. Now partnership deed is not mandatory, or which is not compulsory according to the act, but it is very important that it is to be prepared, so that the conflicts and confusions will be avoided in the partnership business. So this is all about partnership and partnership deed. In the next video I will be presenting you the rules applicable in the case of absence of partnership deed. If there is a absence of partnership, what is the rule which is given in the Partnership Act? We will be discussing it in my next video. Thank you. Keep liking, keep subscribing and keep sharing. Thanks for watching.